We all desire to be financially secure, and in this video we will explore and understand the psychology of money. Money plays an important role in our lives, influencing our choices, decisions, and overall well-being. And by understanding the psychological aspects of money, we can gain insight into our financial behaviors and make smarter choices for a better future. So, what is the money mindset? It refers to a set of beliefs, attitudes, and thoughts we hold about money. Our mindset greatly influences our financial behavior, and on this topic we have two primary mindsets: scarcity and abundance. Scarcity mindset is characterized by the fear of scarcity, believing that there is never enough money. It often leads to impulsive spending, hoarding, and a constant state of financial stress. While the abundance mindset, in contrast, focuses on the belief that there are opportunities for a financial growth and success. People with an abundance mindset tend to make more calculated financial decisions and feel less anxious about money. The conditions you were raised with matter to this topic, because if you grow up in an environment where money was scarce, you may develop a fear of spending and struggle to invest in yourself. Understanding money mindset is crucial in reshaping our relationship with money and adopting healthier financial habits. Then we have emotional spending. Money and emotions are deeply connected, and emotional spending is really common. Emotions such as stress, fear, and social pressure often lead to an impulsive buying decisions, and many people use shopping and purchases as a temporary mood booster. They feel relief through buying stuff. But besides that, we have people that buy from impulsive acts and are addicted to instant gratification, and people that spend heavily influenced by social norms and peer pressure. And understanding our emotional triggers and finding alternative ways to cope with them can help us make more conscious and intentional financial choices, which will definitely make our lives better. And passing to cognitive biases and financial decisions. Did you know that our brains are wired to make irrational financial decisions? Cognitive biases play a significant role in shaping our choices. One common bias is the anchoring effect, where we rely too heavily on the first piece of information we received. And another bias is the confirmation bias, where we seek information that confirms our existing beliefs about money. And by understanding this bias, we can become more aware of our decision-making process and develop a strategy to mitigate their influence. And the way we view money is mostly caused by our parents' attitudes and behaviors, because the way they educated us about money will definitely change our mindset and the way we view the economy. And passing to our next one, the power of financial habits. Developing healthy financial habits is crucial for long-term financial success, and we need to adopt some strategies related to our financial habits, such as budgeting, which is making a budget before you want to commit to any financial decision, and having a real conversation with yourself, wondering if you really need what you are looking for. And if the answer is yes, how much can you spend? Then we have saving and investing, which are the essential keys for building wealth. And as a psychological factor, change your mind into thinking this way. Today you want to buy a car that is $40,000 and you are going for a 4 years loan, and you will be paying around $900 a month for 4 years, and I'm not adding tax or fees. But if you save and invest that money in any fund that can provide you, for example, 7% a year, which is low, after those 4 years you have more than $50,000, and you don't also have a car that lost a lot of value. And after those 4 years, you can buy a car way better than the one you wanted. And all of this because you could just simply delay your gratification. And you could just keep going and making more and more till compound interest kicks in and you start making a lot. Delayed gratification is a fundamental skill for financial success. You can have all you want, but as soon as you cultivate the habit that you can have a better tomorrow, everything will be just fine. And passing to our last one, the influence of social comparison. This one is where the people mostly fail, because humans are social creatures and we often compare ourselves to others, and this social comparison can have a huge impact on our financial situation. The desire to keep up with our peers and the fear of missing out can lead to overspending and financial stress. Some strategies to overcome these influences are focusing on our own financial goals, embracing gratitude, and developing a sense of self-worth independent of material possessions. And by shifting our mindset and finding contentment within ourselves, we can break free from the negative effects of social comparison. And understanding the psychology of money allows us to gain insight into our financial behaviors and make conscious choices that align with our long-term goals. And by adopting a healthy money mindset, managing emotional spending, acknowledging childhood influences, developing positive financial habits, and redefining our relationship with money and happiness, we can have a better tomorrow. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your financial psychology and create a better financial life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to help our channel. Feel free to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Stay financially strong.